and this is why we were fading. But look, despite the S&P 500, it's respecting this level, bro. This 38.1050. So that's a key level right now. I'd have to go ahead and call that a key level. Because look, came down here and look, expecting that. But I mean, it's looking like it wants to break down. The SPY breaks down this level right here. It's key level. I'm at the S&P 500. Breaks down that key level. I mean, the next one would be right around here. This 3800 90s or 3800 flat right here. That's going to be our next crucial level right there. 3800 flat down here. This is a 2 minute. And look, respecting that level. If we can a little bit accurate, more accurate level here. So right here, look, we're cracking that thing, the 3800. Wait, hold on. Oh no, we're still ahead of it. Wait, no. Oh no. 3800 is way down here. So right here, this 381160s. And look, we're bouncing, we're catching a bid off of it. But I mean, decent support there, as you can see from here. Catching a bid. We just rocketed it up past the short term and the 9, and it's looking like we're trying to go ahead and break past the 120. Let's see if we can reclaim the 120. And look how it's having trouble at the 120. You see that? And this is the 5 minute. I mean, on the 5 minute, we're way under the 9 and VWAP, but looking like we're trying to go back up and test previous close. And I mean, look. And look, on NVIDIA, support, we got support here at 159.75. But let's see if this holds true. Remember what I said about the direction. I mean, it looks to me like Tesla is still clearly in that downtrend, but this is going to be crucial right here. If we come down and test the bottom of the range, this 142, we'll come down here and test this and crack that level right there, bro. I would expect us to go ahead and head lower, at least on the short term. This is what's confusing, though. Look, we also got bonds selling off. Like, what does that mean? Because I thought there's like some correlation. But I mean, if we're like super bearish, I guess the correlation goes out the window. Like they would be correlated together. But I'm not seeing super bearishness right now. I'm seeing so-so, más o menos. Right here, check out NVIDIA. Look, trying to break, actually reclaim the 9. Had trouble with it right here. Finally caught a bid, reclaimed the 9, and trying to get it back up there towards VWAP. And I'm still watching Tesla. It's trying to ease its way down to that level, bro. And I mean, here's Soxel. I caught a decent trade off this yesterday. And I mean, we're swinging wildly. So, I mean, pretty much we got the range. That's a range at least so far. Look on the SPY down here. The Qs. I'm at the top of the range on the SPY up here. So basically we're range bound for now. In order to really see anything different, we need to break out of that range either to the upside or the downside. But I mean, there's also opportunity for trades in there. But you just have to get in at the right level. Like on the SPY, you want to be behind the dip down here, possibly. If we come back down here and consolidate and base, and up here, you want to be trying to sell the rip. If we come up here and top out again and wick out, you feel me? And look, we got the SPY getting up here. Look, the 120 and previous close and the 9 EMA are all on the same level. So I mean, that's you feel me? Like to go ahead and reclaim previous close and the 120 and the 9 EMA with VWAP right above it. You know what I mean? Like, it's a daunting task. Not to say it can't be done. It's daunting. And then you also have to understand that people, are witnessing like this bearishness. And like, I'm not the only one that heard the news. Like, millions of traders out there heard and know, if they are operating on logic and not hopium, that we are still in a bear market and we eventually do have to go down and test the lows, like the June or September low, the COVID lows. Like, you feel me? So with all that said, you got some traders that are looking at this fade and then this, looking at previous close, especially with the 120 on the 9 EMA right here, and looking to fade off this level. So that's another reason why it's a daunting task. And look what I said. Look, what did I say? What did I say? If Tesla comes down here and breaks this 142 flat, which it did, and it's still below it, but they're trying to buy it up off the 140, 150 handle. That's where we bounced at. But I mean, 1.5 million shares, 1.5 million, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.6, just all red, bro. This is crucial here. Tesla's below that level, which I'm gonna go ahead and call a key level at this point. Now, you know what's gonna be key is when this next candle opens. Does it open below this level or above this level? So right now they're buying it back up. They're trying. Look, there's some volume coming in here, 1.7 million shares, and it's looking like it was selling, but now it's buying. Look at that long wick. See that? So that's what I'm saying. Like, if they're able to hold it up and prop it up and let the next candle open above this key level here, this 142 flat, which is also a psychological level, then it might be able to prop the market up a little bit. And you could see, look, this thing bouncing, and look, bouncing, direction. Now, see, the new candle opened right on that level. So it's kind of on the level. It didn't break down. But look, as it starts to break down, we see a little bit of weakness coming to the S&P 500. And again, what's crucial here now is we've reclaimed the 9, all right? But we still have previous close here, and we have VWAP right above it. So that's crucial as well. These are all the things you need to be watching, bro, as you're making your trades.